Yo, what's up, gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy YBG, aka Young Bull Guns. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all why do I think, my personal opinion on a 22 LR. Now, today's video, the 22 is gonna be this Glock 44 22 LR. I'm gonna be showing y'all and explaining to y'all why do I think y'all should carry, not carry, but have a 22 in your arsenal. So yeah, let's get into the video. If y'all do not know, this is how 22 looks. Yeah, let's get into the video, man. Okay, now, like I told y'all, the Glock 44 is gonna be featured in this video. I'm gonna chamber around, put it back in a holster. Now, I'm gonna just explain to y'all a little bit why do I think everybody should have a 22. Now, 22 is very cheap. I bought 325 rounds only for like $20 from Walmart. And yeah, you can practice with it all day. It's not a lot of recoil. As you can see, recoil is minimal, and I do not have my ears on. But my ears is used to it. I don't know why. Like, it don't ring or nothing like that no more. I am gonna put my ears on. Okay, ears is on, eyes is on, everything is good. But yeah, just watch the recoil, man. It's like a BB gun. I don't know why my camera about to die, even though I charged it at the house. But yeah. It didn't lock back, but it is clear. As y'all can see, it's clear. It didn't lock back. My camera about to die. My camera about to die, so I am gonna switch to the phone, so the quality is gonna be a little bit different. But yeah, I'm about to load back up and explain to y'all a little bit more, and just show y'all a couple practice drills that I do with the 22. Like I said, ammo's cheap. The recoil is none. It's the same size as the Glock 19, the Glock 44. Same size as the Glock 19, the Glock 22. It fits in the same holster, and you can just practice all day with it, you know? At the house, at the range. Now, people say 22, especially pistols, is known for failure to feed, and like, you know, it's just known for a lot of problems. That way, if you get a 22, you kind of know that you're gonna have a problem. So expect that, and that's where you can learn how to, you know, pull. If you got a jam, you can tap and rack the round out, or whatever you want to do with that. But yeah, I just think it's an overall great training tool, because, you know, firearms are tools, and this is a great training tool for you, your girlfriend, your kids, your grandparents, whoever it is. This is an all-purpose gun for all like all ages. You know, this is a good gun. Glock 44. Load back up and I get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, right before the camera died, I got another magazine loaded up. One in the chamber. I'm gonna run a little quick drill to see y'all, to show y'all what type of drills I do run with my Glock 44. You know, about 15 yards away. I'm rusty. First shot was a 314. Second shot was a 357. I'm a little rusty, so we about to, you know, get it going again. First shot was a 189. Second shot was a 213. First shot was a 170. Second shot was a 192. So we getting faster and faster every time, and that's some type of drill that I do, pulling out the holster. That's one drill that I do when I pull out the hose. I don't like that one. 190, and then the second shot was a 209. All right, now for Kari's first magazine, she got 10 rounds loaded up. Is loaded or no? Not yet. So she got to make it already. She got 10 rounds loaded up. We about 10 yards away from the target, and we just gonna see how accurate can she be with the Glock 22, and yeah, well, Glock 44 chambered in 22 LR. So. Okay, now wait. We just had a problem with this. She said, I'm not dipping. I don't feel myself dipping. That's a 22. So the mistakes you making is your fault, because the gun is not going nowhere. So take your time, fill that wall. Find a reset. Like, don't pull your finger all the way forward. I need to shoot more. She stopped coming to the range with me, y'all. How you feeling right now? Talk to the camera. How you feeling?
A little shitty.
Okay. And you don't got your eyes on. All right, now let's talk to the camera real quick. Now, what do you like about the 22?
No recoil. What?
Camera.
It's no recoil.
Go ahead.
No recoil, and it makes you focus on aiming.
Yeah. So no recoil. If you miss, it's basically your fault, because there's no recoil to, like, most people miss because they anticipate the shot, so they dip. That's what we trying to work through right now with both of us, actually. You know, I'm not perfect, she's not perfect, so we both trying to, you know, fix that. And the ammo is, like I said, really, really cheap. It's a great training tool. The men can use it, the women can use it, the kids, the older people, you know. Yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna give y'all a little 22 mag dump real quick. We both is. All right, y'all. I got my magazine loaded up. Kari's standing right here. She got her magazine. Let's get a little quick mag dump. See if I can get all 10 on the. Now, like I said, this is a 22. What you want to do? Practice on tap, rack. There we go. There you go.
Huh?
Fast, mag dump. Tell me why she shot better shooting fast. What was that about?
I don't know.
Okay. So yeah, man, this is it for this video. Quick little fun video with a 22 Glock 44. Let me see. Glock 44. I encourage everybody to go out and get it. It's cheap. It's cheap. It's affordable. I got it probably, I don't know. Oh, this is the box that I get from Walmart. It's Federal, 40 grain, 325 rounds come inside this box. And I never have a problem with these rounds. Yeah, it's cheap. $21. Go get you a 22, man. Great training tool. I'm gone.